So I'd rather do the quick cleanup and tear down, only because this is so bad. This needs to go. This is just horrible. So it'll be good to get rid of this junk. That side's just as bad. So Gary's already in teardown mode. So we'll either give these away for another fence or burn them or use them to repair the new fence. So these are good ones from a few years ago, but this one needs to go. That one's been horrible for years. And the guys are gonna come tomorrow and take this crap out of here. I don't know what's gonna happen with the bushes. We'll see. I hope we can do it without disrupting the bushes. So the north end is pretty cleaned out. So we were without a fence, at least on the south and southwest sides. So we're ready for the guys to tear down the big crap tomorrow. And the wood pile's grown.